I just wanted to go over really quickly how to remove quick release spring bars. Now this is a quick release spring bar, get nice and close. It's just a regular spring bar with a pin on the inside to allow you to slide the pin on and off to allow for quick strap changes without any tools needed. So let's get the camera nice and close and I'll show you how to do it. The easiest way to do it is if you slide your spring bar all the way to one side like that, you can then push this side down. Once that's down, this side should slide out. There you go. And then you simply pull the spring bar all the way out. When you're pushing it and pulling it, you might want to push it against a firm surface rather than use your fingers like I just did. But it's also the opposite. To put it back on, you just push that through the hole, push it in, pull that bit back out into the middle, and it's nice and easy. Now this is harder with a stiffer strap, but it's still quite possible. So that is how you remove your quick release spring bars. It's a nice easy job when you know how, but if you do have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help out. If you want to check out our other watch tutorial videos, I'll put a link on the screen. And please subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.